Hi, kindergarten boys and girls. Happy Friday to you. We are going today to review our letters and sounds, primarily through chaining. So I have some words that have the digraphs and the floss letters, which is the double letters that make one sound, ready for you to do some chaining. So I need you to get your marker and your dry erase board, or if you would rather use pencil and paper, then that's fine also. This will be the only thing that we do today to work on letters and sounds. But because we're good at putting them together and we need to be reading words, that's how we're going to work on it today. So, are you ready? Okay. Yesterday, let's review just a couple. When we have double L, it just says O one time. Yesterday we talked about the double D as in the word add. The double L as in the word hill, okay? And we talked about when two G's are together, like in the word egg, if you remember from yesterday. Let's see, what word was it that had an F? Why don't we do the word staff? That's something we should know how to spell. Let's sound it out. Okay, so all of those are digraphs when two letters work together to make one sound. So when we do our chaining today, we will see digraphs in our chaining. So that should just be a nice little reminder to you that we're working with double letters. And then sometimes we're going to be working with CK. The letter C by itself says K. The letter K by itself says K. When we put it together, those two letters work together to make one sound, which is a digraph, and the sound that they make are K, as in the sound or the word sock. Okay? So, let's go ahead and get started. The first word that I would like for you to write is the word fill. Fill. Okay, so let's break down the sounds. Here we go. F, I, O. Fill. So write what you hear. F, I, O is the word fill. Okay, so fill is spelled F-I-L-L. Fill. I would like for you to change the word fill into the word pill. Break it down. P-ill. One more time. P-ill. Pill. Go ahead and write it. What letter makes the p sound? We'll write that P-I-L-L. Again, the double L just says L one time. Fill, pill. Good job. Now I want you to change the word pill to the word pick. Pick. And here's my little hint for the letters that are going to make the K sound. Pick. Let's break it down. P-ick. Pick. So it's going to be spelled with P-I-C-K. Okay? I want you to change the word pick to the word sick. Sick. Let's break down the sounds. S-I-K. Write what you hear. S-I-K. Sick. Do you have S-I-C-K on your paper? Now we're going to change the word sick, don't let me trick you, to the word slick. Slick. The oil on the ground was slick, or the ice on the ground was slick. Let's sound it out. S-O-I-K. Write what you hear. S-O-I-K. The SL is a consonant blend. We say it quickly, like this. So, I-K. Slick. Very nice. Now I want you to change the word slick into the word stuck. Stuck. Now this time you're going to change more than one sound. Typically when we do chaining, we only change one thing at a time. But now that we're getting better and better at it, we're going to change 2 sounds this time. So the word is going to be stuck. Let's sound it out. K. Stuck. Now write what you hear. K. So our SL became an ST, and our I became a U, or an sound. Let's break it down one more time. K. Very good. Now I want you to change the word stuck to the word stuff. Stuff. Break the word down with me. And remember the f is going to be double letters. So let's write it. 2 F's make the f sound, stuff. And the last one I want you to do for this one is the word, change the word stuff into the word stiff. Break it down with me. If. One more time. If. Now write what you hear. If. Stiff. Now let's read what we have, and we're going to read fluently. Here we go. Fill, pill, pick, sick, slick, stuck, stuff, stiff. How'd you do? Did you do a nice job? All right, now I'm going to ask you to clear your board. If you're working with pencil and paper, you can turn your paper over to the other side, or right on the bottom. We're going to do one more set of words for chaining. Okay? The first word I want you to write is odd. Odd. There are 2 sounds but 3 letters. Let's do this one. Odd. And the D is double letters. Okay? So let's write it. Odd. Odd. If something is strange, we say it is odd. Odd. Peculiar or strange. Now I want you to change the word odd to the word add. Add. Let's break that one down. Add. Add. Write what you hear. Add. Add. We know to add things or to put them together, right? If you're putting 2 and 3 together, you're adding them together. I want you to change the word add into the word at. At. Let's break it down. At. Most of you know how to spell the word at. At. There it is. And then you're going to change at to the word it. It. Break it down with me. It. It. Good job. Now we're going to do double letters again. Here we go. Double letter digraph for oh. What 2 letters do we write for that? Oh. 2 L's. You're right. So let's think about it. Here's the word. The word is ill. And ill means sick. If you're feeling sick, you might say you're feeling ill. Let's break it down. Ill. Ill. Ms. Hales will write it for you. You should be writing it on your paper also. Ill. Oh, I don't feel so good. I feel ill. Or sometimes you're relaxed and you're feeling good and you might say, I'm feeling kind of chill. Let's write the word chill. You ready? Let's break it down. Ch. Ill. So what digraph makes the ch, ch, ch sound? Do you remember? Here's my hint. Ch, ch, ch. Here we go. ill. The CH works together to make the ch sound. Chill. Now change the word chill to the word chick. A little baby chicken might be called a chick. Let's break the word down. Ch, I, k. Chick. One more time. Ch, I, k. And let's write it. Ch. There's your CH. Ch, I, k. This is a word that has a digraph at the end. Also, the C and the K work together to say k. Chick. And the last word is going to be the word kick. Kick. Let's break down the sounds. K, I, k. Kick. And it starts with the letter K. This one uses the K for the k, k sound in the beginning. K, I, k. Kick. How did you do? Are you feeling good with what you've learned? Like you understand what we're doing? It's moving a lot more quickly now, but it also we should be able to do this because we've learned so much this year. Let's read with me. We're going to read fluently or quickly. It's the word odd, add, at, it, ill, chill, chick, kick. Nice work today. All right, the last thing, actually we're not doing anything more with this work, but I would like to show you or to explain to you what you're going to do on Nearpod. Now on Nearpod you're going to find a story about some different tasks that Sam had to do, and what I'd like for you to do is just listen to the story. When I put it on Nearpod, there's a little record button, so you'll be able to press that button and hear Mrs. Hales read the story to you. If you'd like to listen to me read it more than once, you can. But what I'd like for you to do is for me to read it to you, and I'd like for you to read it to someone else. So find a grown-up or a reading buddy or an animal that you have, a pet at your house, and read the story also. So you're going to listen to it one time from Miss Hales, and then I would like for you to also do your best to read it on your own to someone else. Okay? Have a great weekend, and we will see you back here on Monday for more phonics learning. Bye, friends.